Today in our class we will discuss about the proof of earth revolutions. In the evening we observe there are so many stars in the sky. Every evening they appear, but their position change in some extent toward the west. After few days they are disappeared in the west. Then another group of stars takes their place and they also appear to the little westward every evening. After few days they also disappear in the west. So this is the proof that the earth changed its positions regularly in its orbit. If the earth did not revolve around the sun, so the different group of stars wouldn't have been visible in the sky all throughout the year. Second one proof is if the earth has only one motions, that is rotations, the durations of the day night would have been equal throughout the year. But we know that there is a variations in the length of the day and night within the year. So this is also the proof that the earth has the second motions, that is revolutions. Another proof is, had the earth not moved around the sun along its fixed orbit, there would have been no change of seasons during the different period of the year. So this is the change of the seasons proof that the earth revolved around the sun. Another proof is, it is already proved that the others planet like Mercury, Venus, Mars and the other planets are revolving around the sun. So the earth is also a planet, so it is not exceptional that it is also revolved around the sun. So these are the main proof of the earth revolutions. Okay. Now we will discuss about rotations. The spinning of the earth on its axis from the west to east is called rotations. Okay, the earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours and this period is called solar day. The movement is also known as the daily movement of the earth or the diurnal motions. Now next one is the speed of the rotations. The speed of the rotation is not equal all over the globe. This is due to the shape of the earth. Okay, and we already discussed in our previous class, as the result of the rotations the earth has got a equatorial bulge and the polar flattering shape, right? So and the circumference of the earth varies as we move towards the north and the south of the equator. The speed of the rotations is maximum at the equator and it is about 1670 km per hour. Okay, you have to remember this. The effect of the rotations of the earth. First we discuss about the occurrence of day and night. The earth rotates from the west to east and it make one complete rotations in every 24 hours, right? And we all know that the earth is a sphere and it is a planet and it has not its own light, so it is receive light from the sun. As the earth rotates, is only one half faces the sun and gets the light and the other half remains the darkness. So the part of the earth which receives the sunlight is said a day and the other half which remains a darkness is known as night. Next one is the apparent daily movement of the sun. The rotations of the earth on its axis make the sun appear to rise and set. The earth rotates from west to east. So it is for this we see that the sun appeared in the east and disappeared in the west. So it is our apparent visions and it is not the fact. So we apparently see that the sun rise in the east during the morning and set in the west during the evening. It is known as the daily apparent movement of the sun. Okay, and this another effect of rotations is the apparent movement of the sun and the stars round the earth from east to west every day is also the result of the rotations of the earth. Next one is the determinations of the directions. The four cardinal directions, that is east, west, north, south, are fixed on the basis of the earth rotations. As the earth rotates from the west to east, the sun appears to the rise in the east and set in the west. Next one is the different local time. The time when the sun is vertically overhead in the sky its take as noon time, and it is considered as the local time of all places located on a meridian or in which a sun reaches the topmost elevations. So the places located on different meridians have the different local time due to the rotations of the earth. Next one is spherical shape of the earth. The rotations of the earth create a centrifugal force which is responsible for the bulge at the equator and flattening at the poles. Okay. Deflections of planetary winds and ocean's current. The earth rotates with the maximum speed at the equator and minimum speed at the poles. The difference of speed in the rotations of the earth causes all the moving objects like the planetary winds, ocean's current to deflect to their right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. So the deflection effect produced by the earth rotations was first discovered by the scientist Ferrel in 1855 and was named as the Ferrel's law. Next one is the occurrence of the high tide twice a day. During these rotations, the part of the earth facing the moon is attracted by the moon gravitational pull, and the ocean's water nearest to the moon is pulled slightly away by the sun gravity. So this bulging of the ocean's water is the primary high tide, and due to the centrifugal force caused by the earth rotations, the ocean's water opposite to the place of the primary high tide and swell to create a secondary high tides there. So thus there is the occurrence of high tide twice a day due to the rotations of the earth. Another one is the idea of the meridians of longitude. During the rotations, the earth passes through 360 degree in 24 hours. So to pass through 1 degree, it takes 24 divided by 360 24 into 60 equal to 3 and divided by 360, that means 4 minutes. So 1 degree for 1 degree passing is take 4 minutes. So the time gap between two longitude is 4 minutes. From 1 to 2 degree longitude, there is a time difference between is a 4 minutes. The equator can be divided into 360 points based on degree. So the line passing through this point, the joining poles are the meridians of longitudes. So that is how we calculate or getting the idea of local time. Okay, so this is all the effect of the earth rotations. Okay.